Hello, nice day for everyone. Okay, we are going to phonics class, and this will be pages 151 and 152 of your books. In here, you have to circle the special sounds, and I am going to show you which is the meaning of the special sound. Special sound are two consonants together making a special sound. These are some of the ones studied and new ones, like the ones that we see on the page that you're going to work. See, we got this one says two. That's why I wrote two like this. Sh, gl, brr, grr, sp, pl, o, as in no and so and go, the, zm, fr, st, krr, I, as in by, as in my, bl, dr, sk, kl, a, as in day, as in clay, as in may, tr, prr, fl, sk, as in sky. Like you see, these are all the special sounds that you will be finding in the page that you have to work 151. Also, in this page, you have to choose between three words. We got three sentences. Choose which one will complete the sentence. And then when you turn the page to page 152, what you will have? Read the sentence. Please have them try to read by beginning with the blend first and adding the next sound, and then look at the pictures and make a line matching the picture that goes with the sentence. Okay? I hope everything is okay. Anything, call me between 1 and 3, and I will take you out of the doubts if you have any. Bye bye. Good afternoon.